What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be continuing looking at AIDOGE. I know it's a bit different than what we usually look at here, but I wanted to put out an update video because it's quite interesting looking at this meme token that's coming to market here. Now, there's a few things we have to go over in regards to their pre-sale, as well as just diving in a bit further into this cryptocurrency, because I've noticed it's been doing quite well and taking a lot of interest over the market. We made this video about 2 weeks ago, the introduction of what AIDOGE is, and we'll go in a little bit more in depth into the same thing in today's video here. But more importantly, the fact that I just put this out a couple of weeks ago and it's got over 4,000 views, which means they're pretty positive. They're getting a pretty large following in the markets here. So there's a lot of things we do have to look at in regards to that. But with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's video. So guys, to jump right into things here, looking at AIDOGE, I know I want to go over quite a bit what exactly this website and this cryptocurrency is about. Obviously, it is a meme token like anything else, so I do want to briefly go over what that is. So for those who haven't already heard, AIDOGE is creating a platform that enables users to create AI-generated memes using user-provided prompts, and as such is going to provide real-world utility. This means for the first time in history, users can use artificial intelligence to create relevant memes in the space. More importantly, AIDOGE has also created a new coin that is set to take digital assets a notch higher with its unique features. The coin, called literally AI, combines the two currently trending niches in the market, memes and artificial intelligence. AIDOGE has successfully stood out among other rising coins that have surfaced recently because of these unique features. Now, as a disclaimer, just so we are all on the same page, meme coins are indeed different from more established cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Bitcoin. But AIDOGE's goal is indeed to separate itself from the meme token class with its certain utilities once it is developed. Now, at least that's what they outline on their website and white paper. Now, for those that still need clarity, meme coins are different because major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum were created to solve real problems, while meme coins aren't. Now, although there are some instances like Dogecoin being seen as a medium of exchange where a meme coin transcends its joke status and becomes a utility, the overwhelming majority of meme coins don't, as you should know. Major cryptocurrencies were created to actually and eventually be universally accepted as genuine decentralized currencies, and they're also designed to revolutionize like entire industries. Meme coins, though, when created, are usually just to make people money, which is totally fine. Don't get me wrong. We've had our fair share playing around with meme coins, but if you've been in the crypto space long enough or for more than like a day, you would know that by now, that it's literally just made to make money. Unsurprisingly, there also have been tons of pump and dump schemes where people, have lost quite a lot of money after investing in some of these digital meme coins. But also, like on the flip side, there are also plenty of people who have also made a pretty penny off investing in meme coins. It really just depends on which side of the drop you're on, either the bull run up or the bear run down, as we've seen many a times in Dogecoin, in Shiba Inu, in Squid Game, like in Squid Token, in tons of other meme coins that have been on the market here. But like I said earlier, most meme coins are launched as a way to just make money, and they're not really created to serve any purpose, and they tend to go away just as fast as they come. Now, people investing in them are not doing so because they like the fundamentals of the token, and therefore you find a lot of instances where a meme coin like comes to market, investors pile on, thus rising the price during pre-sale, and then they sell it shortly after to earn a profit, and the coin crashes. Now, that is why it's important to do your research in this and not to invest anything you can't afford to lose. But there are also, don't get me wrong, plenty of occurrences where these meme coins do go on to offer plenty of real-world utility, which AIDOGE does seem to offer, and with that comes its own set of potentially lucrative opportunities to make money. And now with all of that out of the way, what I really want to focus on is trying to find their contract address, which I know is not public, going over some speculation and some skepticism in the markets here, because as with any meme coin, especially in its early pre-sale stages, it is extremely risky to be putting money into things like this, and that is why there is such a discretion and disclaimer made about, getting involved in meme tokens here and not investing investing what you can't afford to lose. But what's interesting here is just over the past couple of weeks, literally 2 weeks ago, from my previous video, you can see if I zoom into the actual, where is it? The website here, which shows you its token sale, you can see really quickly, I want to pull it up. It is $1,390,000 raised in their token sale here. This was their pre-sale stage here. And just over the past 2 weeks, 14 days, that's managed to go up to $9,700,000 with a $10 million goal, which is absolutely insane. Now, they have mentioned, and I did mention 2 weeks ago, that they are running pre-sales in different stages here. And I'm having trouble finding how many pre-sales they're going to be doing. But to answer a lot of those questions, they did specifically state that they are continuously creating newer and newer pre-sales here. And you can even see on their Twitter, it was very easy. You do even the slightest bit of research, you would have known that they are doing pre-sales. I just want to slowly pull it up here. Let's see. So you can see stage 11 of their pre-sale is up over 8 million raised, and you just continue this further. Stage 12, like, it's very well known and obvious that they are doing multiple pre-sale. Stage 13. So, I mean, for those that are saying, oh, well, the clock reset on the pre-sale, and here we're seeing it. Well, that's because there's different stages that they're doing to raise capital for the release of this token here. Now, obviously, with anything, this can very well be a pump and dump, a cash grab, a rug pull, whatever you want to call it, because that's what happens in the markets like this. But there's very much so legitimacy on the possibility that this could pump to the upside here, especially with the following that they have. It'd be quite ironic to see a pump and dump grab, but, you know, everything's up in the air. Now, also to address the confusion in regards to seeing multiple tickers, as far as I understand, I feel like a lot of people are confusing AIDOGE with ARBDOGE, which you can see is right here. And these are two different cryptocurrencies, ARBDOGE and AIDOGE, but it's clearly a direct competitor of it, like Burger King and McDonald's. They are clearly two direct competitors here. And with something like that, it makes sense. You know, they see one doing very popular things here with the dog and stuff like that. So obviously AIDOGE is going to copy, and other meme coins or cryptocurrencies, people are going to copy these here. But it's interesting in regards to the information. ARBDOGE does show a lot more than AIDOGE does, but I was paying attention to their website. I was trying to find like white paper, which you can see they do have, so it is nice that they did release that, but more so I was trying to find like how many stages of their pre-sale they were going to list, which I wasn't able to find. And if you guys have, then feel free to let me know down in the comments below. But more so than that, I was also trying to get involved with buying their cryptocurrencies just to play around with this here. And what I noticed is when you set up your MetaMask and you click buy now, what I noticed is it brings you right over to right here, MetaMask. But you can see right at the top, I know it's a little bit blocked, but the top right here, there's different accounts. So I have my account, which has my account address, and then it's going to send money over to this wallet address here. Now, I was trying to find, you know, the contract address so I can put it in PooCoin or, you know, CoinGecko or whatever else, and I couldn't find it. And I know you guys also couldn't find it either here. And it is interesting, and I'm not sure how that works, but what I was able to notice is when I'm transferring money, it's going from account 1 to account 2, and I'm gathering that this is the account for maybe the token address or something that is taking the crypto. That's what we're transferring it to. So if we click, and feel free to let me know what your opinions are on this down in the comments below, but clicking copy to clipboard here, and then clicking view on Block Explorer, you can see the information that's pulling up. We do have the contract address right here for what we're sending money to when purchasing the pre-sale, which is quite interesting. I know some people were saying they were looking for their tokens yet, and they're probably going to drop in when the pre-sale is over, or they're going to slowly release it, as they don't want you guys to immediately sell off, the second you know, they open the doors and list it on exchanges here, as that's usually what happens here. But you guys can see this is definitely a contract address that is receiving crypto without a doubt for the purchase of AIDOGE, because literally there's been over 20,000 transactions, which is pretty incredible to me. So they are doing something right, and people are purchasing this crypto. You can see the amount of Ethereum that's being transferred constantly to this wallet address here. We can view all transactions here. You can see just over the past couple of minutes, there's been tons and tons of volatility and volume that they're pushing within here, where lots of crypto is being sent and transferred over 2.8 Ethereum here in the past hour and a half to this wallet address, which is quite interesting if you ask me. You can see it's going from all these different wallets to all, this one specific wallet here, which is where you'd be going to purchase the actual cryptocurrency itself, or the address is receiving all of this here, which is quite interesting. But I am trying to do more research into here, because you'd think, oh, if all this money is being transferred over to AIDOGE, where exactly is it going? Because you can see here, it says Ethereum balance is 0 ETH. Ethereum value 0. So it's like if the money is being sent to this wallet address, where is it exactly here? You can see the internal transactions here, which is showing money being moved yet again. So money is coming from this and it's going to somewhere else. So it's pretty interesting if you ask me. So money is being sent in. It's like doubling it up and transferring and moving everything. So money is being sent in when you purchase the pre-sale, whether you receive tokens or not. I'm not entirely sure, but you're receiving it and then it is being transferred. So where exactly is it going? So you purchase it as we go again. If it's going to load for us, here we go. Finally, so you can see it's getting sent from account 1, my account 2, going to this account here. We clicked this, we copied it, we looked in the Block Explorer, and then that pulls up here in the Block Explorer, and then you can see all the money, the 20,000 transactions that are being sent to this address, which then you can see in internal transactions go from this address right here, are being sent to tons of other different addresses here, which is quite interesting. And we can open these up, I believe. Yes, we can. We can just open 2, for example, and you can see it's then being shifted into a ton of other different addresses here. So money is being sent in, and then it's being sent out. It has a small value here, but it is then going to other. You can see it's kind of spidering out into other accounts here. And I know, and I have to go back and research how I can see the full transaction of movement here, but money is coming in and then money is going out. So it's being stored in all these different in all these different wallets here. And then it's kind of ending. So they are being scattered throughout here. You can see all the different wallets that it's sending it to. And I'm not seeing a lot of the same wallets. They all seem to be fairly different, although we have OXCE2. No, they're being sent to a few of the same wallets here. You can see money going in. Oh, wow, that's incredible. So check this out here. We're now finding where money is being sent to here. So we had this wallet, the 52, where is it? Right here. Money is being sent into this account, and you can see it is a large account nonetheless. It is holding 3,560 Ethereum, which is over $6 million. So they definitely did raise that crypto. So for those that were a little skeptical about whether or not, because I know for sure I was a little skeptical as to how accurate this number is. Like, can people just make a fake, little ticker here? Well, it seems like that might not be actually true, because this is proof alone that there is an address that money is being sent to that is holding on to this crypto. And this is the main address for you guys to look up. Feel free to do more research and tag me or let me know, leave a comment with your video of diving in even further, and I'll have no problem putting it on here. But you can see this is one of the addresses that money is then being transferred to. So it is going to one address and then being sent to this one here, because it's all public ledger. And you can see this address has over 3,500 with a $6 million valuation on the Ethereum value. So money is being held up here. Pretty incredible, pretty insane to following the record here, but that is my update on AIDOGE. Still pretty incredible. There are a lot of uncertainties and risks with all of these when we get the information here, as it always has, with all these meme coins here, whether or not they're actually going to release, that's the big worry. But you take the risk when you put into a crypto that was created a couple of weeks ago, and and is so new. With anything that's new to cryptocurrency is a big gamble here. So, you take on that risk when you put money into something like this. I'm just presenting the facts to you here. So very cool, very interesting. I'll find out more information and update you guys later on. But yet again, that is it for today's video. Make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe if you want to check out more on AIDOGE. Link is down in the description below. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.